What's up, you guys? This is my first video, my first eating video in my Corvette. I'm about to grab me a little pizza, a little personal size pizza. I think I'm gonna check out this Blaze pizza right here and tear it up because I'm hungry as hell. Today I stopped by Blaze Pizza and grabbed a little build your own personal pizza. So let's get right into it. All right, so let's see. Y'all know I love Blaze Pizza. I love the fact that you can put whatever you want on it, build your own. It's such a dope concept. You see? All right, so I got what I got on here. I got pepperoni, chicken, black olives, some tomatoes, some artichokes, and what else do I got on here? I actually got vegan cheese and I got keto crust. Now, don't souffle me. I just like how the vegan cheese tastes. Yes, I'm eating meat with vegan cheese. I'm not a vegan, never said I was, not claiming to be, and that's not where we're going with this. This is just a pizza that I like, and this is how I like to build it. So anyway, let's see how it is. Oh, I don't have a lot of room in here. Yeah. This car is very, very, very tight. You see, even though there's a lot of leg room, so tall people can drive it, but it's tight. So let's get right into it. I love me some Blaze. Got me a little orange Coke. I also got some water. Oh, this is so good. This should be illegal. Oh my god. And so story time. So one time I was in the club, right? Y'all know I used to dance very regularly in Sicily at a lot of strip clubs in Atlanta. So I got a bunch of stories about it. Anyway, so this one particular time, I was in the dressing room, minding my own business, getting dressed, getting ready to go out and get on the floor. And this girl was on the other side of the dressing room, and she was like, whew. This is good, y'all, I'm sorry. Trying to tell the story and eat at the same time, so don't judge me. Hang on. I gotta do some water with this too. Excuse me, y'all. Okay, water on deck. Sorry. Alright, back to the story. Okay. This car is so tight, oh my god. I don't recommend eating pizza in the Corvette. Oh my goodness. So back to my story. So I was in the dressing room, right? And this girl on the other side of the dressing room, I think she was like, I don't know, trying to talk trash. But anyway, she says to me, she's like, you think you all that? And I was like, well, duh. So So, and I mean, of course, why wouldn't I think I'm all that? I mean, it's a shame if you don't think you're all that. That's basically what I told her. I'm like seriously, like, clearly you think I'm all that if you're even saying this to me. But it ain't my fault if you don't believe that you're all that. So, you know, I mean, I just was like, not trying to be arrogant or cocky, but at the end of the day, if I don't believe in me, how can I expect anybody else to? And you should think that you're all that also, you know what I'm saying? So when I broke it down to her like that, because at first everybody was like, oh my God, because I was like, duh. I guess they thought I was going to take the arrogant route, but I'm still not an arrogant person. I'm really not. It's not me. But, this is really good, y'all. Oh, this is good. Anyway, so she, you know, when I broke it down to her like that, she was like, you know what? Damn, I ain't think about it like that. You're right. And the crazy thing about it, right, was like after that, me and her actually became friends. You know what I'm saying? Because this is like, you know, people will sit there and like project their own little whatever onto you for whatever insecure reasons they have. And I mean, that's their business. It ain't mine. But, you know, I mean, I just believe, like, if you don't believe in you, who else is going to believe in you? You know what I'm saying? Like, how can you expect... That goes for anybody. That goes for guys, girls. That goes for everybody. If you don't believe in you, how do you expect somebody else to believe in you? You know what I'm saying? If you don't think you the shit, excuse my French, but if you don't think, you know what I'm saying, you all of that, then how do you expect somebody else to? You know what I mean? So, I don't know, that's just my 2 cents. Like, would you rather me be walking around with my head down, all sad and depressed, like, oh, woe is me, nobody likes me, hoo. Why the fuck would I do that? Like, no, for real, why would I do that? No. Walk around with confidence and know that you're a dope individual, know that you're amazing, and it's a blessing to be in my presence. And I say that with the most, you know, positive intent. You know what I mean? I'm not saying it again from an arrogant standpoint. Like I said, if I don't think I'm all that, how can I expect anybody else? And you know, me and her ended up chopping it up for a while after that. This piece was really good. And I can see where she started to take more pride in herself after that. Because she wasn't the worst looking chick. She wasn't. She wasn't the best looking. But, you know, I can see where she started stepping her game up after that. You know what I mean? Because confidence is key. Confidence makes a difference in whatever industry you're in. You know what I mean? When you're confident, when you're trying to sell anything, especially in sales, when you're confident in yourself and your product and what you're doing, it comes across and people are more inclined to, you know, rock with the confident person than to, you know, be bothered with somebody that's unsure of themselves, timid and shy and whatever. That confidence and that knowing that you are all of that is magnetic. It makes people want to mess with you. So, you know, don't be walking around here like feeling down on yourself or downing yourself at all ever. You know what I mean? We all have done it from time to time. Everybody's human. But just try to remember that, yes, you are all that. I'm all that. Excuse me. You know what I'm saying? I believe I'm all that. Why is more? And I can't expect nobody else to think I'm all that if I don't. And it don't matter what you look like. You could be tall, short, fat, skinny, thick, slim. You could be whatever. If you don't have that confidence, it's gonna come across. You should have confidence to know that you're a dope individual, and you should be confident in whatever it is that you're doing. If it's your, you know, your craft, your business, or whatever it is, you should believe in yourself. I'm telling you, if you don't believe in you, nobody else will. And that's just my 2 cents. Oh my God, this piece is so good. And it's so hot outside today. Oh my God, it's 90 degrees, 92 degrees outside. I'm not about to be outside. I will sit right here in this AC. Because I was going to do the video outside in the park, right? But it's too hot. I ain't got time to be out here sweating and looking crazy in this sweltering heat. I can't do it. But yeah. This builds your own action. Oh my God. I love it. And yes, I have my toothbrush and my dental floss with me so that I can make sure my breath ain't kicking after eating all this garlic. Excuse me, y'all. My bad. But this pizza is good. I'm gonna have to get a tray or something, because trying to eat in this car is like not the move. It's super tight. I don't know, maybe I'll do it in my truck next time. What y'all think? Okay guys, thank you so much for tuning in and rocking with me. I'm definitely going to be doing some more of these eating videos. See you later. Gotta go. Bye. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.